Hi, I'm Chris from Philippines and welcome to my channel. Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am reacting to A Day in Japan 1940s in color with added sound. So without further ado, let's play the video. Japan 1940s, remastered colorization. Wow. Even before, the streets were really clean. And people in 1940s, they're wearing this business suit, or I mean not wearing any more kimonos. And most people were walking. Yes, this one, she's wearing kimono. And that lady. And it's sunny, wow. Sunny, but I think it's cold. With added sound, guys. Wow. Oh, that one was a tram, right guys? Tram. Serious looking people. Whoa, there's a baby. This was 1940. So how many years ago? 80 years ago, right guys? Oh. They're wearing kimonos. It's like a market. Looks like a market, guys. Vendors. Oh. It's like a shopping center that time. They're sidewalk vendors. Kids and a baby on her back. Oh. Wow. Oh, cool cars. Oh, bus. It's a bus. Bicycles. Jeep. Oh. A minibus. The surrounding looks so nice. And people were walking. Mostly they're walking. With added sound. This video looks so cool. Wow, 1940 guys. We're not even born yet. Oh, this is the time of our grandmothers and grandfathers. 1940s, 1930s. Very clean streets. Very nice cars. Oh! tram, right? It's a tram. A bright sunny day. Very nice weather. Oh. Oh. Where, but it's not mentioned where exactly in Japan, guys, but it's in Japan. Wow. Very nice houses. Some are made of woods, a wooden house. Oh. Wow. With added sound. I wonder if it's the original sound or just they made it up. Oh. Cute houses. Oh, kids. Those kids were, I think, maybe 90s. Right now we're 80 plus. And the road is not I think the road is not made of cement. Maybe it's an asphalt. Right, guys? Very smooth road. Father and baby. Oh, very cool video. 1940s. Group of kids. Oh, this one too. Wow. Very nice. There's no traffic lights yet. Well, anyway, there's no traffic. Oh. Oh, very simple life before. No internet, no smartphones. Just bicycles. Oh, this one. Wow. Very nice video. Oh, a traffic officer. Wow. No trees? Oh, very nice video, guys. So love it. So fascinating to see this kind of videos. You can get to see the life before we were born. Wow. 1940s, that was the time of my grandmothers and grandfathers. 80 years ago. Awesome video. Well, guys, thank you for watching with me. I'll see you in my next video.